Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best personalized water bottles for boys, the Owala FreeSip insulated stainless steel water bottle in the stylish camo cool design. If you're looking for a durable, functional, and fun water bottle for your little one or even yourself, this might just be the perfect fit. First off, this bottle holds 24 ounces, which is a great size for both kids and adults to stay hydrated throughout the day without constantly refilling. The material is high-quality stainless steel with double-wall insulation. What does that mean? It means your drinks stay cold for up to 24 hours. Imagine sending your kid to school with ice-cold water. That stays fresh well into the afternoon, or taking it along on a hike or sports practice knowing your beverage will remain refreshingly chilled. One of the standout features of this bottle is the patented FreeSip spout. It's designed to offer two ways to drink. You can sip upright through the built-in straw or tilt the bottle back to swig directly from the spout opening. This versatility makes it super convenient for kids who might switch between sipping and gulping, or for anyone who just likes options. The lid is a push-button style with a locking feature, which adds an extra layer of security to prevent accidental spills. The lock also doubles as a carry loop, so it's easy to attach to a backpack or carry by hand. The lid is splash resistant and keeps the spout clean, which is especially helpful for kids on the go. Cleaning is another area where this bottle shines. It has a wide mouth opening that allows you to add ice cubes easily and makes hand washing the bottle simple. The lid itself is dishwasher safe, which means less hassle when it comes to keeping everything fresh and germ-free. In terms of design, the bottle fits nicely into most car cup holders and has a base designed to be stable when set down. It's BPA, lead, and phthalate-free, ensuring that the materials are safe for everyday use. The Owala FreeSip comes in various playful and appealing colors, but the camo cool pattern really stands out for boys who love a rugged, outdoorsy look. It's not just about aesthetics though. The bottle is built tough enough to handle everyday adventures without denting or breaking easily. Just a quick note, this bottle is designed for cold drinks only and is not suitable for hot liquids, so keep that in mind if you were thinking about using it for warm beverages. Overall, the Owala FreeSip insulated stainless steel water bottle offers a perfect combination of functionality, durability, and style, making it a top choice for boys and anyone who needs a reliable, insulated water bottle. If you're interested in a bottle that keeps drinks cold for hours, offers versatile drinking options, and is easy to clean and carry, this one deserves a spot on your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next product review. Stay hydrated, and see you next time.